Add monthly plan on MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, open the app. You can see here dashboard, and inside the dashboard there is diary option. You have to select on it. At the top you can see today's option. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. In this way you have to select your today's complete diary. In this way your next day, tomorrow, and according to your days of month you have to complete your diary according to days, and in this way you have to follow your full month plan. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.